Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're into DIY electronics, repairs, or crafting custom circuits, having the right soldering iron can make all the difference. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best electric soldering irons you can get your hands on right now, whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a seasoned pro after precision and power. We've tested performance, build quality, temperature control, and overall value to bring you this list. And trust me, there's something for every skill level and budget. Ready to upgrade your soldering game? All the product links are in the description below, so you can check out specs, prices, and user reviews anytime. Now let's dive into the countdown, starting with number 5. FNIRSI HS02. The FNIRSI HS02 soldering iron offers a comprehensive accessory package, including multiple tips and adapters to meet a wide range of soldering applications. With an adjustable power range of 9 to 20 volts, it provides precise control for detailed soldering work. Supporting fast charging protocols like PD and QC, the HS02 ensures rapid heat-up times for efficient operation. Its ergonomic handle design enhances user comfort and minimizes hand fatigue during extended use. Additionally, the 0.96-inch high-resolution HD IPS screen delivers clear temperature readings, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings with precision. 4. Pinecil V1 CN. The Pinecil CN version, Pinecil V1, is a compact and portable programmable soldering iron designed for precision and convenience. Ideal for both hobbyists and professionals, it features an adjustable temperature range and a digital display for accurate control. Powered by USB-C or DC input, the Pinecil V1 heats up quickly and supports open-source firmware, allowing for customization and advanced functionality. Its ergonomic design and compatibility with standard TS100 tips make it a versatile tool for electronics repair, soldering, and DIY projects. Whether you're in the workshop or on the go, the Pinecil V1 offers reliable performance in a lightweight, portable form. Number 3. ANENG SL108. The ANENG SL108 Electric Soldering Iron Kit is a high-performance, portable soldering tool designed for precision and convenience. Powered by PD 96 watts and QC fast charging, this digital smart soldering iron heats up rapidly, allowing for efficient and seamless operation. Its adjustable temperature control provides flexibility for a variety of soldering tasks, from delicate electronics to DIY repairs. Compact and easy to carry, the SL108 features a clear digital display for accurate temperature monitoring and user-friendly operation. Ideal for both professionals and hobbyists, this kit delivers reliability and power in a sleek, modern design. AlienTech T80. The AlienTech T80 T80P Smart Soldering Iron is a high-performance, portable electric welding tool designed for precision and efficiency. Featuring PD 65 watt and QC fast charging compatibility, this soldering iron heats up quickly and maintains a stable, adjustable, constant temperature, making it ideal for electronics repair, DIY projects, and professional use. Its compact and ergonomic design ensures easy handling, while smart temperature control technology provides reliable performance and extended tip life. Whether you're repairing circuit boards or working on delicate soldering tasks, the AlienTech T80 T80P delivers both power and portability in one sleek tool. 1. Novel Life TS101. The original TS101 electric soldering iron is an upgraded, high-performance tool designed for precision and portability. With a powerful 65-watt output and adjustable temperature control, it offers fast heating and stable operation, making it ideal for both professional and hobbyist use. The compact, USB-powered design ensures easy transport and versatility, while the digital OLED display provides clear temperature readings for accurate soldering. As an evolution of the popular TS100 model, the TS101 features improved thermal performance and user-friendly controls, making it a reliable choice for electronics repair, DIY projects, and fieldwork. Thanks for watching our breakdown of the top 5 best electric soldering irons. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started with electronics, we hope this guide helped you find the perfect tool for your soldering needs. If you saw a model you liked, make sure to check out the product links in the description below. We've listed each soldering iron featured in the video, so you can easily compare specs, prices, and reviews. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more gear reviews, and let us know in the comments which soldering iron you're planning to try, or your personal favorite. Until next time, stay precise and keep creating. Product links, check the description below. Like, comment, subscribe for more.